Good morning children, this is your English literature class and today we'll be learning about prefix or prefixes. Okay, so what is a prefix? We can add a letter, okay, or a group of letters to the beginning of some words to make new words. Okay, so we can add a letter, a single letter or group of letters, okay, two or three or even four letters, okay, to at the beginning, okay, at the beginning of a letter, okay, of a word, okay, to make new words. This letter or group of letters is known as prefix. Okay, so the letters that you add to the words, these letters are known as prefix, such as un, dis, miss, re, imp, mid. Okay, these all are prefixes. Okay, so when you add letters to the word, okay, you should also understand that you are not only making a new word, you are also creating a different meaning out of that word. Okay, the word that you are creating, a new word that you are creating, okay, this will mean a different, this will have a different meaning to the original word. Okay, so un is a prefix and happy is the root word. What is the root word? Happy. Why we are calling it a root word? Because originally it was word happy and you are making it, adding un to it, un to it, and you are making it a new word, unhappy. Okay, such as happy means you are joyful. Okay, unhappy means you are sad. Okay, like the other word is like. Okay, now here if you add this to it before this, the new word that you have made is dislike. Okay, like means you like something, okay, and dislike means you don't like something. Okay, trust. Now there's a word trust, okay, and if you add miss before it, you are creating a different word, okay, which is mistrust. Okay, now trust means trusting someone on doing something, okay, and mistrust is you don't trust someone on doing something, or you just don't trust that person for various matters. Okay, view, you are looking at something or there is a view of some beautiful place. Okay, now review, you are adding re to the word view. Okay, all these prefixes means you are adding before the word. These letters are being added before the words. Okay, pre means before, so always remember to add them before the original words, like pure, impure, way, midway. Okay, so there are various other prefixes. Okay, so there are many prefixes, but I have discussed them over here, the ones that have been given in your book. Okay, like un, des, miss, re, imp, med. So let's discuss them. The first one is re, that I have discussed over here in my copy is re. Okay, when do we use re to represent again? Okay, when you want to say you have to do something again, you will add re before that word. Okay, for example, reread, when you want to say someone to read the chapter or the portion again, you will say reread. read. Rewrite. When I say to you people to rewrite some topic or portion again, I'll say rewrite. Okay. Review. If you want to uh, judge something, okay, you will say review. Okay. How the work was done, or how the movie was made, or how the serial was made, we will review it, we will judge it. Okay. Again watch the movie. The meaning will be again. Okay. Again watch the whole portion and check the and make the corrections. Okay. If I say review your work, you have to again go through the work that you have done and make the corrections. Okay. Now the next prefix is un. You and un. When is it used? When you are saying you are not doing it, or you are making an opposite word of it, of the original word or the root word. For example, unhappy. Okay. You are not happy, or even it is the opposite of happy. Okay. Untie. You are tied with a rope. Okay. So you will say untie, to loosen yourself. Okay. Unlucky. Okay. If you are saying you are not lucky, you will say the word unlucky. Okay. Now the next word is this. D-I-S. This. This is also a prefix which is used in your book. Okay. So this also means not or opposite. Okay. For example, dislike. You do not like that person, or you do not like that food, so you will say dislike. It is also the opposite of the word like. Okay. Disappear. If someone vanishes, okay, or someone cannot be reached, okay, cannot be found, you will say disappear. So it is the opposite of the word disappear. Sorry, opposite of the word appear. Okay. Now the third word is disagree. If you do not agree with something, you say disagree. You do not agree, not agree. Okay. So you add this to the word agree and you say disagree. The fourth word is miss. M-I-S, miss. So what does miss mean, or when do you use miss? When you have to say something is done wrongly. Okay. For example, misfire. Okay. If you had fired a gun, okay, if a person is firing a gun and he misfires it, if the bullet is not shot from the gun, you'll say misfire. Okay. Mistake. You have done something, okay, and you have made mistakes in it, you have made some mistakes in it, you'll say mistake. Okay. Misunderstood. Understand. Okay. If someone doesn't understand you properly, you say misunderstand. Okay.